What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy BeDistinct. I got the supercharged G35 behind us, and in today's video we're gonna go ahead and take this for a drive so you guys can hear it a little bit more. I feel like I do not do enough driving on this channel for you guys to hear it, so we're gonna take it out today. One bad thing is that it's supposed to rain, and I know the topic, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram and on TikTok, go ahead and follow me. The topic for this week was, how do I drive this G35 with a vented hood when it's about to rain? The very quick short answer is, I simply don't drive it. If I look at the forecast and if it's set to rain, I simply do not take it out at all. If it's already raining, then I simply don't take it out. I haven't been caught in the middle of the rain. I've never been in that situation because I look at the forecast and I just don't take it out, right? But for today's channel, it is set to rain and we're still gonna take this out. If you guys wanna go ahead and support the channel, there's links down in the description down below with all my codes. You guys can cop yourself wheels, tires, suspension, LED lights, racing seats. There's a bunch of codes down in the bottom of the description to help out the channel. Instead, let's start today's video and I'll catch you guys in the car. Peace. I just want to show you guys one of the reasons why I don't come, which I'm kind of happy of not having this car fully built when I was in college. I feel like if this car was fully built when I was in college, I'd get so many cops on me. Oh, big time. This car would not make it. Do I go left here?
Yeah, coming up at the stop sign.
Last time I went with just a muffler delete to my school and I got stopped by the cops like in 1 minute.
Watch out for the dip right here.
And now that I have this loud ass blow off valve, like, bro, it's like, it wouldn't make
it. Yeah, my other parking lot's over there.
Hey, check out this car though. That's nice. Do you want hoofy? Do I go right?
Straight, just go straight.
Oh, G35 owner? Shout out? G35 owner? Hell yeah. Alright. Go straight?
Yeah.
Alright. Alpha was looking at me like Gucci. Hey, shout out another G35 owner? Do I go up? Up is up the best way?
No. I would say take a left or a right.
Okay, do I go left?
Yeah, go, 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 go. No, go straight. Alright, this is where I usually park in this area.
Do I go right or straight then?
Fucking go right.
now's the time to do the YouTube video because the rain's catching us, y'all. I mean, it's barely, y'all can't even see it on camera, but it's a little sprinkle right now. Hard, but look at the clouds, bro. That thing is not looking friendly right now, I'll tell you that. Okay, y'all, the rain really caught us now. I am really risking my car right now just to show y'all that I think the car is gonna be fine just in the rain. Hopefully you guys can see that. Whee! I'm starting to smell burnt. Bro, we gotta get home ASAP, bro. This is dangerous right now.
As you guys can see, it's getting rained on.
Getting hella rain.
And I'm getting rained on.
Oh.
like
what the freak?
what the freak-a-leak? Oh,
Like,
this ain't
look at the
looking
clouds over
good.
there, they're hella white. That's where I wanna be.
Boy, you ain't.
Bruh, it's raining men out here, dude. Oh, that's a clean ass car. We gotta get. Look at this. No, bro. Oh, we gotta get home quick. It's mad out here, y'all. It's mad. I'm gonna cut this Prius because I can, and I freaking hate Priuses. Oh, that shit slipped. Alright, maybe we won't press on it. Oh, watch out! Dude, my car is slipping. Yo, that is dangerous. Okay, we're not stepping on it. Woo! That shit was mad crazy. You fell asleep?
Yes?
Yes. Alright, let's see if it slips again.
Stop. Hey.
Oh, it definitely slips. No grip. And we have more narrow tires.
fucking pedal.
Oh, yep. We are. Oh my god. You should show them the puddles. Show them the puddles.
The pedals were out where
Ah, this is crazy. We gotta get home ASAP. Bro, honestly, I'm gonna just take you to my house and I'm gonna drop you off in a different car. Nah, this is mad, yo. This is mad out here. Anyways, guys, that's the end of that video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The car is completely fine. Didn't rain super hard, but it was raining. And the car was absolutely fine. The filter was absolutely dry, nothing wrong. But after I put it in the garage, it started freaking raining hard. I'm talking like bullets. So probably would have been a different situation then. But I've heard of many people with vented hoods driving hard rain and their car is completely fine. I wouldn't recommend it, but like if you were stuck in the rain and you had to drive it home, I'm pretty sure your car will make it. That being said, I'll catch you guys next episode. Thank you guys for all the support and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.